this is very tight here. Can you please come around here? I'm going to do this right side first. So right here, I'm going to adjust right here. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay. Just try to relax as best you can. Okay. Have you been adjusted by anybody else besides?
No.
So I'm your second.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Nice and relaxed here. Gonna go nice and easy today. Nothing ridiculous. Yeah, right there. Come towards me a little bit. Okay, just right. Good. Right there. Big old knot right in there. Yeah, that's exactly where it is. So you can feel C3, C4 is really just inflamed right there. And that's probably where shoulder blade stuff's coming from. Yeah. That was much more difficult to adjust. Thank you. Okay. Good. You're doing good, kiddo. Look at that. I thought being a performer she'd be better on camera, but obviously she's a little nervous on camera. But thank you so much.
Thank you.
And we'll talk a little more on
Okay.
camera.
Thank you.
Good. You're welcome. Good.